Welcome back students. Now we will move on to the next topic, that is conversion of units. So let's see how you can convert millimeter into centimeter, millimeter square into centimeter square, meter into centimeter and centimeter square into meter square, for kilometer square to meter square. These are the conversion that we will see in this particular conversion of unit topic. So for that I have drawn one square and that square is divided into 100 equal parts. Suppose the length of this square is 10 millimeter. So 10 millimeter is what? 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So the length of this is 10 millimeter as well as 1 centimeter. And the breadth is 10 millimeter, that is 1 centimeter. So when you find the area, so this is the 1 millimeter. One part is known as 1 millimeter. So total 100 parts are there. So what we can say, when you find the area also, this is 100 millimeter square. When you find the area, so which is actually equal to what? 1 into 1. So 1 centimeter square. So what we can say, 1 centimeter square is equal to 100 millimeter square. Okay, now why? Because 1 centimeter is equal to 10. Now suppose if you consider the same graph, okay, we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So suppose this is your 1 meter length, and this all are divided into again very small block, that is 100 centimeter. You consider this one block is equal to 10 centimeters. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So it is 100 centimeter. Same way, if this one block if you consider as 10 centimeters, so the length and this is your breadth, that is 1 meter, is equal to 100 centimeter. So now if you want to find the area of this, so 1 meter into 1 meter will give you 1 meter square. But what is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, so 100 into 100. So what is the answer? 10,000 centimeters square. So what we can say? 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. So this way we can do the conversion of unit meter into centimeter. So let's see in your textbook. So 1 centimeter is equal to what? 100 times 1 millimeter square. So we give you 100 millimeter square. And 1 meter square is equal to what? 1 meter into 1 meter. That is 100 into 100 will give you 10,000 centimeter square. So now 1 kilometer square is equal to what? We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 1 kilometer square is equal to what? 1000 multiplied by 1000. So it is equal to 1, 2, 3 meter square. So it is 10 lakh meter square. So 1 kilometer square is equal to 10 lakh meter square. Now 1 hectare is equal to what? So in the metric system, areas of land are also measured in hectare. Okay, a square of side 100 meter has an area of 1 hectare. Means 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. That is 100 meter into 100 meter. So 1 hectare is equal to 1000 into 1000 meter square will give you 10,000 meter square. And 1000 centimeter square will give you 1000 into 100 millimeter square. That is 10 millimeter, 10 lakh, 1 lakh millimeter square. Okay, so this way you can do the conversion of units by yourself. Same way, if you 1000 centimeter square is equal to 1000 divided by 10,000 meter square. So whenever you want to convert smaller unit into bigger unit, that time you have to do the division, and bigger unit into smaller unit, that time you have to do multiplication. So this way we can do the conversion of units. On the basis of this, we will do some questions related application based question which is given in your textbook. Some solve examples are given in that. So Then we will proceed to the exercise 11.4. So let's see the solved example first. Now see the applications. So you must have observed that quite often in gardens or parks some space is left all around in the form of path or in between as cross paths. A frame picture has some space left all around it. We need to find the areas of such pathways or borders when we want to find the cost of making them. So see the first question, question number 20. A rectangular park is 45 meter long and 30 meter wide. A path 2.5 meter wide is constructed outside the park. Find the area of the park. So this is the total rectangular park is given to, in which the length is 45 centimeter and breadth is 30 meters inside. Now outer side we have to make the paths, and the width of this path is 2.5 centimeter. Now what is the area of this path if you want to find? So what we have to do? We have to find the area of this outer side, that is PQRS, and the area of the inner side, that is ABCD. Now we know the length of AB, that is 45 meters. So what is the length of this PQ? So what we have to do? Both the side, this measurement is 2.5, this measurement is 2.5, so total is 5 meters. So that we have to add in 45. So this is your 50 meter. Same way, if you consider this width BC is 30 meter. So this is your 2.5, this is also 2.5. So that much we have to add in this to find the width of this QR. So that is 30 plus 5, that is 35 meter. So now see the calculation. So let ABCD represent the rectangular park and the shaded region represent the path 2.5 meter wide. So whenever you want to find the area of this path, what we have to do? Area of rectangle PQRS minus area of rectangle ABCD. So PQ is what? 45 plus 5 meter, that is 50 meter, and PS is what? 30 plus 5 meter, that is 35 meter. So area of rectangle ABCD is L into B, 45 into 30, that is 1350, and area of rectangle PQR is L into B, 50 into 35, that is 1750. Do the subtraction, you will get the answer 400 meter square. Move on to the next question. A path 5 meter wide runs along inside a square park of side 100 meter. Find the area of the path. Also find the cost of cementing it at the rate of rupees 250 per 10 meter square. So now the total area, the measurement of outside is given and inside we have to find. So the square ABCD, the length is given, that is 100. So we will find the area of ABCD. Now what is the area of PQRS? How will you find? For that we know the length of PQ. So what we know? The length of this path which is made inside the square. So this is 5 meter. So what is the length of 10 cube? Path is made all around. So 5 plus 5, 10 meter, that we have to subtract from the 100. So it is 90 meters. So now let's see. ABCD is side square, 100 into 100, so 10,000 meter square, and PQRS side square, that is 90 meter square, that is 8100 meter square. When you find the difference, that is 1900 meter square. So now the area of this path is 1900 meter square, and we want to find the cost of cementing. So cost of cementing 10 meter square is rupees 250. Then what about the 1900 meter square? So do the multiplication. So therefore cost of cementing 1 meter square is 250 divided by 10. This we have to multiply with 1900 meter square. So our answer is rupees 47,500. Okay, move on to the next question. That two cross roads, each of width 5 meter, run at right angles through the center of a rectangular park. Length is 70 meter, breadth is 45 meter, parallel to insides. Find the area of the roads. Also find the cost of constructing the roads at the rate of rupees 105 per meter square. So this is the road. This is your Area of the crossroads is the area of shaded portion. So here this is the area of road that we have to find, which is the shaded area. And this is the rectangular park A, B, C, D. Now what is the question? We have to find this areas. Then how will you find? So here length is given 70 meter and breadth is given 45 meters. So for PQRS, if you consider this area PQRS, so PQ is what? This is 5 meter and RS what? PQRS. RS is also 5 centimeter. Now what is this PS? PS is 45 meter. QR is also 45 meter. Same way for this. This is the total. EF is what? 70 meter and FG is what? 5 meter, because this width of this path is given 5 meter. So PQ is 5 meter, PS is 45 meter, EH is 5 meter, EF is 70 meter. This KL is 5, NM is also 5 meter. Now area of the path is equal to what? Area of the rectangle PQRS plus area of the rectangle EFGH minus area of the square KLMN. Why? Because it is repeated 2 times. One time when you find the area of PQRS and one time when you find the area of this EFGH. So KLMN, the area of this part is repeated 2 times. So we have to subtract area of KLMN for 1 time. So 45 into 5 plus 70 into 5 minus 5 into 5. When you do the calculation, you will get the answer 550 meters square. And cost of constructing the path is per 1 meter square it is 105. So 550 meters square is what? So 105 into 550 will give you rupees 57,750. So this is all about your solved examples. On the basis of this, we will now solve exercise 11.4. Thank you.